Okay, end of winter, time for spring cleaning your car, and most of you in the north or anywhere where they use road salt on the roads, this was cleaned a month ago. Perfectly taken off, and this product that I'm using now was tested to make sure it couldn't hurt anything, and it hasn't. But anyway, this leftover salt, you can't even scrub it off. I've just vacuumed and used the scrub brush and the nozzle, and I've been scrubbing at it. It won't come off, and you can use, there's a couple things you can buy that out there that just don't work. Vinegar works kind of. It takes a lot of scrubbing with vinegar. It does work a little bit, not as good as what I'm going to show you, but it does work better than everything else that you can buy, all the store-bought stuff. But it makes your car stink like vinegar. And if you don't like the stink of vinegar, well, don't use vinegar. But what I'm going to be using is calcium lime and rust remover. It comes in different, this one's a generic brand from Home Hardware in Canada. CLR is the national name of the product, you'll probably know, but it's a calcium lime and rust remover, generally used to remove hard water deposits in toilets, sinks, stuff like that. And there's two different kinds. There's one that's going to be septic safe, and then there's the old version. I think the new one you can probably drink and you'll be fine. It probably won't kill you. And I find the new version doesn't really work really well on the hard water deposits and stuff at home, but it does work on this stuff in your car. Anyway, the new version will not have the skeleton hand sticker on it. You don't want the corrosive skeleton hand warning label on it. That's the one you don't want to use. I haven't tried it, but I'm assuming it's probably not the one you want to use. Anyway, the newer version that is phosphate free and septic tank safe, that's the one I'm going to be using. I've got a bucket of hot water, a couple drops of dishwashing detergent, and I'm going to pour half a cup of the CLR, a little bit more. Boop. And I'm going to find a scrub brush and be back in a second. So I got a little scrub brush, and let's start scrubbing. You're not even going to scrub hard. You just want to kind of soak down the areas with the salt on them. You're just going to kind of scrub it in. I'm not scrubbing hard. Hold on a second, let's get this nasty stuff so you can see it. As you can see right there, it's kind of just melting off. I'm barely even scrubbing. So I'm going to cover all of this. Just get it wet with the brush. Semi-scrub it in. I'm not going to scrub the hell out of it because you don't have to. And I'll be back in about 2-3 minutes once I've got all this covered. Okay, it was about 3-4 minutes later. I covered everything with the little scrub brush. I barely scrubbed it in. I just wanted to get the salt stains wet. And I don't think I've missed anything. I'm just going to go through with the brush after this, scrub it the tiniest little bit. And I'm going to vacuum that off with my shop vac. Take some regular clean water, clean all that up, vacuum it up again, and I'll be done. Absolutely almost no work. Again, this is 5 minutes from when I started this video, and this is what it's like. It's essentially melted it off. And I tried this again. I said I tried this for a month, at least a month since I did it last time. Did not discolor the carpet. Don't use this stuff full strength. Don't dump it full strength on your carpet. I'm telling you that right now. Mix it with water, a little bit in a 1.5 gallons of hot water with a little bit of soap. Absolutely no problem. It's going to clean off everything. You will be happy. Please leave a comment below and let me know how this worked for you. Thank you.